Steps to make your affiliate marketing a success. In today's difficult economy, many people are turning to affiliate marketing as a way to make some good money. The key to succeeding as an affiliate marketer is knowledge and education. It is necessary to learn about the best affiliate marketing strategies and apply this knowledge to your business. The following video contains some good affiliate marketing tips to help you get started. Never be afraid to outsource tasks in affiliate marketing in order to increase productivity. A lot of affiliates, especially startups, only trust themselves to do the work. But you may be missing out on a golden opportunity. Of course, you always need to thoroughly vet anyone to whom work will be outsourced, but if you can get it done for cheap, go for it. Bullet lists are a great way to show off product benefits. Having a bulleted list gives readers who don't want to read your whole video a place to see what they like about your product. It also provides a break in video, adding to its visual appeal. Nobody likes to feel as though they are being spammed. Disclose your affiliations upfront and your visitors will appreciate the fact that you are an honest person. They will feel much better about contributing to your money-making ventures. If a reader feels as though you are being deceitful in any way, there is a great chance that they will leave your site and never return. As was stated in the beginning of this video, in today's troublesome economic times, affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money. The way to succeed as an affiliate marketer is to educate yourself on the subject and learn the best and most effective affiliate marketing strategies. Apply the advice from this video and you'll be on your way to making big money as an affiliate marketer. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.